Are you tired of your acoustic foam panels falling off your walls? Are you struggling to find the best adhesive to keep them securely in place? Well, look no further. In this video, we'll be exploring the top adhesives for acoustic foam and providing you with a comprehensive guide to help you choose the best one for your needs. We'll be discussing various types of adhesives, including spray adhesive, double-sided tape, and liquid nails. We'll also be comparing the pros and cons of each option and providing you with tips and tricks to ensure that your acoustic foam stays put. Whether you're a musician looking to improve the acoustics of your home studio, a podcaster hoping to reduce echo in your recording space, or just someone who wants to add some soundproofing to their home theater, this video has got you covered. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn everything you need to know about finding the best adhesive for your acoustic foam. Let's get started. Number 1. 3M Command Strips. 3M Command Strips are just one of many adhesive-backed products, but they're possibly the best product to mount acoustic foam. Although they're meant for picture frames, they'll work perfectly for this, too. These strips have an adhesive backing that adheres to pretty much any flat wall surface. You can use them on untreated surfaces like brick or concrete, but there are possibly better options for that. Setup is a breeze. You just click the two sides together, stick to your acoustic panel and then stick to the wall. Depending on the size, a pair of command strips can hold between 2 and 8 pounds, which should be more than enough for a foam panel. Although they're described as non-damaging, some users have noted that the strips peel some paint off the walls if left for a long time. This is pretty rare, though, so don't worry too much about it happening. Number 2. Gorilla Glue Heavy Duty. Silicone adhesive can be a useful alternative to spray adhesive. If nothing else, something like this Gorilla Glue adhesive gives you much better control over where you're applying the product. Of course, you'll need a caulking gun to apply it. Because it's silicone, it shouldn't react negatively with the acoustic foam. Even so, it's sensible to still use a backing material, as this glue could clog the foam's holes, reducing its efficacy. Unlike spray products, solid adhesive should work well on all wall surfaces. This construction glue is rated for use on exposed brick and concrete, so should be your go-to option if they're what you're working with. Some users state that it takes quite a while to actually bond materials together. As such, you might find yourself holding your panel in place for a while, but once it sticks, it won't be going anywhere. Number 3. Gorilla Glue Mounting Strips. These Gorilla Glue mounting strips are essentially double-sided tape designed for heavy-duty mounting. They're also known as adhesive squares for obvious reasons. Each adhesive square can hold up to 7 pounds, which will be more than enough for an acoustic foam panel. They're ideal for both smooth and rough surfaces, meaning you could use them on anything from drywall and wood to exposed brick or concrete. Better still, you won't need to back your acoustic foam, as the tape won't impact its acoustic ability. In terms of downsides, these are more likely to cause damage to your wall than other options. This is because they're so sticky that they'll pull paint off when you try to remove them. However, this is a testament to how good the product actually is. Another issue raised by users is that it's quite difficult to remove the backing, as there's no peel strip. Getting the first side off isn't too hard, as you can pinch the strip slightly. Number 4. Velcro 6 Feet Self-Adhesive Roll. Although this Velcro roll isn't tape, this is about the closest category for it. It has plenty of benefits over the other options mentioned, least of all that you can take the panels down when they're not needed. If you've ever used any kind of hook and loop tape, you'll know how to use this. Stick one side to the panel, the other side to the wall, and you're done. Luckily, the adhesive is stronger than the Velcro, so there's no danger of ripping it off the wall. A benefit of buying it in a roll like this is that you can cut the strips to the exact size you need. Also, the smallest roll is 20 feet long, which will give you enough to hang a lot of foam panels. The only downside is that you'll have one side of Velcro left on your wall. While it's not the worst looking thing, it will be noticeable. To get around this, you could always Velcro some pictures to the wall when you don't need the foam panels. Number 5. 3M Super 77 Permanent Glue. It should be no surprise that a company like 3M would dominate a list about adhesives. This spray adhesive will stick almost anything to anything else and is suitable for use on lightweight materials. That said, when installing acoustic foam panels, you'll want to use a specific acoustic adhesive to stick the foam to cardboard backing. You can then use the 3M to stick the cardboard to the wall, as it could melt the acoustic foam. The acoustic spray glue also has a unique spray pattern, making it easy to use. This spray adhesive is low-voc, volatile organic compound, and, as some users have stated, is less sticky than the normal product as a result. However, it's also got a better mist pattern and, with enough pressure, will happily stick a foam panel to a wall.